Here's a 2013 Lexus LS460. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver finds the attention to finish and detail in the interior of the LS borders on the obsessive. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.